Mayotte is a French island part of the Comoros archipelago in the Mozambique Channel. The islands are surrounded by a barrier reef, to create the biggest closed lagoon in the world. The infrastructure is more than sufficient for travelers, who are mainly drawn to Mayotte for scuba diving and hiking the undulating volcanic landscape. Mayotte is made up of two islands, Grande-Terre and Petite-Terre, with sparkling white sand beaches and excellent diving among the colorful coral reefs. The best views of the islands are to be had from the summit of Mount Choungui, a popular hiking spot. The islands have no large cities. However, the biggest town Mamoudzou on Grand-Terre is a busy settlement with banks, restaurants, hotels, bars, and a bustling market. Mayotte is a stunning setting for a relaxing holiday on the Indian Ocean. There's no mass tourism here. The lagoon is a fantastic place to come into contact with these creatures. In addition to many species of dolphins living in the island's waters all year round, the whale season is a unique opportunity for travelers.